If you're planning to travel to Georgia, here are the documents you need for a Georgia eVisa. First, you need a clear scan of your passport bio page. Your passport must be valid for at least 6 months beyond your stay and should have enough blank pages. Next, upload a recent passport size photo. The photo must be in color, taken within the last 6 months, with a plain background and a clear view of your face. After receiving your eVisa, you must carry certain documents when traveling. These include your approved eVisa, a valid passport, proof of accommodation, a return or onward ticket, travel health insurance, and proof of sufficient funds for your stay in Georgia. In some cases, additional supporting documents may be required, depending on your travel purpose. Make sure all information and documents are clear, correct, and up to date before you apply. With the right documents ready, your Georgia eVisa application becomes simple and smooth.